everything that comes in the case. Looks like different adapters, phone case, comes with a nice little lanyard case, and this part is removable. I assume you might have to replace that. And this is aluminum. And a magnet. So it's a pretty big magnet. Hopefully it's pretty strong. So mounting everything here. The case seems to be okay. I'm curious as to how much of the screen will be covered. Like right now I have my phone in an OtterBox case and it's covered 360. With this one, you'll have the phone covered in the back, and I can't say for sure, like the inside of it, it seems like the phone might slip out of it. Like it could possibly slip out the front. But I'll get everything on and try it from there. It comes with a lanyard that I assume goes there. This part swivels in a bunch of directions with the hex key there and here, in case you want to mount up, flat, etc.